In the digital era, domain name resolution is a critical part of internet infrastructure. It has a major impact on service stability and user experience of enterprises. Huawei Cloud Domain Name Service (DNS) provides you with efficient, secure, and intelligent domain name resolution services, helping you easily manage domain names and ensure service continuity. What is Huawei Cloud DNS? Huawei Cloud DNS provides public domain name resolution, private domain name resolution, reverse resolution, and other functions. Multiple record sets such as IPv4, IPv6, CNAME, TXT, and URL forwarding allow you to manage domain name resolution easily and achieve fast global access. A public zone contains information about how domain names, for example, www.example.com, are translated into IP addresses, for example, 1.2.3.4, for routing traffic over the internet. Visitors can access your website or web application by entering your domain name in the address box of their browser. You can check record sets in public zones to quickly verify that a domain is being resolved. A private zone contains information about how to translate a private domain name, for example, ecs.com, in a VPC into a private IP address, for example, 192.168.1.1, with private DNS resolution. Cloud servers within a VPC can communicate with each other using private domain names. Cloud servers can also access cloud services, such as OBS and SMN, over a private network. Reverse resolution is when you obtain a domain name based on an IP address. This is typically used to affirm the credibility of email servers. Huawei Cloud DNS provides the following core functions. Hybrid Cloud DNS, when your on-premises data center is connected to Huawei Cloud over one or more VPN or Direct Connect connections, DNS resolution is required for the communications between cloud and on-premises servers. Remote DR across regions or clouds, you can use DNS to distribute workloads to different regions, clouds, or on-premises data centers based on their weights to enable remote multi-active disaster recovery (DR). Global traffic scheduling, if you operate businesses around the world and have website servers on different continents, you can use DNS intelligent resolution to ensure end users at different locations access your application from the nearest server. Why Huawei Cloud DNS? DNS has hundreds of physical servers deployed in more than 20 countries or regions. It can handle hundreds of millions of concurrent queries. It also provides terabyte-level DDoS protection. Intelligent resolution is available in more than 200 countries or regions. Scheduling can be based on ISP lines, custom lines, line groups, region lines, or weights. You can use advanced features such as reverse lookup for EIPs, email DKIM, and global search of record sets. You can use custom private zones to respond DNS queries within VPCs that are isolated from each other so your data will not be exposed to the internet. DNS works with landing zone to allow you to share domain names with other accounts. You can associate private zones with VPCs in different regions. In this way, you only need to maintain one copy of record sets for cross-region disaster recovery. You can map private domain names to internal addresses of cloud services to access these services from VPCs, or you can configure a recursive resolution proxy to accelerate private subdomain access to your applications or cloud services. For hybrid DNS resolution, IP addresses starting with 100 used by cloud services are translated into private IP addresses. On-premises resources can access the cloud services through the private IP addresses, which greatly simplifies the networking. Huawei Cloud DNS makes domain name resolution simpler, more efficient, and more secure. For more information or technical support, visit the Huawei Cloud official website or contact our customer service team.